And today we have very interesting topic, which is the best medium of getting news, print media or electronic media. Okay, so first I would like to tell you what is print media. Print media is the media by which we get the news, like reading newspaper. Morning we take the newspaper and we read lots of news. We can read the news, we can get the more and more information. So this is best medium of getting news. But in other hand, electronic media is the best media also, because in a second we can get lots of news at home, and we not need to go outside. We can watch the news. Now I would like to take your opinion. What do you think? I would like to take your opinion. What do you think? Haren, what do you think? What do you think, print media or electronic media? Which is the best medium?
So according to me, sir, print media is better than electronic media, because in print media provide a mass of information, and print media also provide trustworthy information. Trustworthy information.
Haren is saying print media provide trustworthy information and news. Rima, what do you think?
I think print media and electronic media both are the best medias and news. Print media is one oldest basic of communications that delivers news and information. It includes newspaper, magazines, posters, banners, etc. And electronic media, new trend of communications, delivers news of information device like digitals like phone, televisions, computer, laptop, etc.
So according to you, electronic media is the best, or print media is the best?
Both are the best.
Achha, both are the best medium of getting news, print media or electronic media. Yes, Ravikant, what do you think, bro?
Sir, I think in the print media, news written in simple language, and we read easily and understand easily. So print media include newspaper, magazine, and at disadvantage of print media, I think print media use a lot of paper. So paper makes by wood. So global warming will very come very soon. So it is a dangerous for our earth. That's
okay. So Ravikant raised a very nice point, because print media is very dangerous for human life, because in print media we use paper, and for making paper we have to cut down the trees. This is not good thing for our environment, because if we cut all the trees, so environment can be polluted and global warming increased. So Akash, what do you think, and what is your opinion?
First of all, I would like to thank you to giving me this opportunity. And yes, we know print media, the earliest form of media in our country, and the electromedia is the modern base of media, as we know. And we can save our time by see and hear electronic media, and we can also consume a lot of knowledge by taking a lot of knowledge by electromedia. And if we want just now happening, occurring in our surroundings, in print media we will be wait for tomorrow, and in electromedia it just uploaded by 1 or 2 seconds. So I think electronic media is better than print media.
Okay, so electronic media, according to Haren, electronic media is better than print media. But guys, don't you think that earlier time we are habitual to read the newspaper, and in the morning we have newspaper, we read lots of news without distracting our mind. We can read the news. We talk about electronic media, so mind is also distracted. Suppose that if you are watching the news on mobile or YouTube channel, and somebody sends a message, or somebody send an email, so you stop watching news and suddenly see the message and read the message. But earlier time, because we have no option, earlier time we have no option, we have only one option, we have newspaper, so we read the news. We are living in 21st century, and this is modern era. In modern time we are dependent on print media or we are dependent on electronic media? So yes, Raksha, yes, what do you think?
According to me, print media and electronic media both are useful for our life. Print media is a limited news. It limitation cities and state, but electronic media is reach the worldwide and across the world. There are different type of print media as like newspaper, magazine, books, but no live shows and live discussion is not possible in print media. But electronic media have many type of as like
Discussion is possible.
live discussion is possible, live show is possible because it is immediate.
It provides news
Immediately.
Okay. Yes, this is also very nice point, guys. In electronic media, we can watch live telecast, but in print media, we can't watch live telecast. So yes, what do you think? Neha? In print media, we can't watch live telecast, but in electronic media, we can watch live telecast, live coverage. If somebody is delivering the speech in any place of the country, suppose that our Prime Minister or our honorable leaders are delivering the speech in abroad, if you want to watch the news at the time, so print media is good or electronic media?
I think electronic media is better than print media because electronic media is to communication and consumer can share their opinion, but in print media is just one-way communication and consumer can't share their opinion. And electronic media is giving fast updates and latest happening, but in print media we have to wait till next day to go through electronic media. And literacy is not primary requirement because one can watch and listen the information.
Thank you so much, Neha. Neha raised very nice point. Literacy is not compulsory in electronic media, and we can watch live telecast, and we don't have to wait on next day. We don't have to wait next day. So, according to Neha, electronic media is the best medium of getting news. And what do you think? Yes, Jiten, what do you think, bro?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. In my point of view, print media is better than electronic media because in ancient time there was no electronic media when the way was to get news or print by newspaper. So I think that print media is better than electronic media. If we talk about electronic media is a medium to spread news like fire. Thank you.
Electronic media is the way to spread the news like fire. So, okay, very good. And guys, you don't think we are dependent on electronic media. Our reading habits are being declined day by day. And when we read the newspaper, so we can improve our vocabulary, we can improve reading skills. And if we talk about the people who are preparing for competitive examination, they read the newspaper, they can improve their grammar, they can improve communication skills, they can improve your reading habits, and they can learn many more vocabularies. If we leave the newspaper reading, so our reading habits declined. And what do you think about our reading habits, as Akash?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity again, sir. I think this is depend on you. If you are focused about your goals, then you can consume or get a knowledge by any way, other way, electronic media or print media. If you are focused, then nothing will disturb you to achieve something that you want in your life.
No. My question is to everyone. My question, if we leave this habit, so our reading habit is being declined day by day. If we don't read the newspaper, so our reading habit is being declined day by day. What do you think about it? About reading habit? Yes, question is that.
Yes, sir. Our reading heading, if we operate electronic media, then we should read some books for getting knowledge, and we will be regularly towards our readings, and not only electronic media, but also print media is also useful for many competitive exam, as we make notes by electronic media, and we should regularly read 5 to 10 pages daily. It increase your reading skills. I think, sir.
Okay. Akash also said very good point. We should not depend only on print media for improving reading skills or improving vocabulary or improving grammar, everything. If we want to improve the things, so we can read the books also, because books are also there. Anjali, what do you think about electronic media and print media? Which is the best medium of getting news and information? Do you read newspaper daily?
Yes, sir.
Achha.
I read newspaper daily. In my point of view, both media are best for getting news and information. Until a few years ago, the print media is the main sources of get news and information, and the electronic media is more advanced form of media. And the reach of print media is limited, but the electronic media is worldwide. It can across and news. It can send news across the world, and an illiterate person can watch the news, and print media only literate person can read it. And there is no deadline for electronic media. The news can be updated anytime.
Okay, news can be updated anytime, and it has no deadline. So electronic media is the best medium of getting news. Yes, Ankita, what do you think?
Sir, I think both are medias is best medias. Print media is one of the earliest form of media, and electronic media is one more advanced form of media. A print media tends to retain its form. Easy a book contains the same information though its life. Electronic media can be editing song, video, text, then sent to other pupils. Print media as printing books, magazines, newspapers, so print media takes a lot of time, but electronic media as uploading stories then happened him, so print media a few minutes take only a few minutes. And print media main type include the newspaper, magazines, books. Its cover region, city or state. Electronic media is main type include internet, radio, television. Its cover region across the world. Thank you.
Okay, very good, very good. Who want to say something special on the topic? Yes, Harin.
So thanks again for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Now I want to tell me, and the electronic media provide every little information. So if somebody has a lot of time, so he get information by the electronic media. If we talk about the print media, so print media provide a very important information. And if you have a little time, so you can read print media.
If we don't have lot of time, so we use electronic media.
Now, if you have a lot of time, so you should use electronic media.
Okay, if we have lot of time, so we should use electronic media. If we have little time, so we use print media. What do you think? Yes, sir, please. Okay.
I think electronic media is the best because saving the time, and you seeing any video, interested, and you cut the video.
Cut the video or skip the video.
Yeah, skip the video.
If you are not interested to watch the news, so you can skip the video.
Skip the video,
but in print media, we can't skip anything. We have to read the newspaper.
Yes, sir. But in print media, you not interested, but you not skip the news.
Okay. So Karthik Verma said, in print media you can't skip anything because you will have to read the news. But in electronic media, if you are not interested to watch the news, so you can skip. So you can save the time. Okay. And Arnab, what do you think?
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends.
Now tell me, which is the best medium of getting news? Print media or electronic media?
Print media.
Print media is the best medium. Do you read newspaper daily?
Yes,
no, sir. So how you can say that print media is the best medium of getting news? You don't read the newspaper, but you watch news channels, you watch TV channels, live telecast. Who is the Prime Minister of our country?
Narendra
Modi. Loud voice में बोलो ना.
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of our country. How did you know about he is the Prime Minister of our country? How did you know this? कैसे जाना आपने? You have watched the thing on the TV. By watching TV, you have known Mr. Modi is the Prime Minister of our country, or you have read the thing on the newspaper. कैसे आपको पता चला कि मोदी इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? कैसे पता चला था?
Sir, electronic media.
So by watching, by using electronic media, you have known Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And who is the CM of our state?
Yogi Adityanath.
Yogi Adityanath. She get the information by watching news and by reading the newspaper. And they are the kids. In which standard do you study?
I am standard sixth standard.
So you are in 6th standard. Okay, ये 6th standard का बच्चा बेटा, God bless you, sit down और speak confidently. Okay, don't be nervous. आपको जो भी आता बोलो, ठीक है? मोदी जी श्योर हैं आप? मोदी जी हमारे देश के प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं? सच में श्योर हैं? पक्का मोदी जी हैं या अमित शाह जी हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री? अमित शाह is the Prime Minister of India or Mr. Modi is the Prime Minister of India? मोदी और अमित शाह दोनों लोगों को आपने टीवी पे दम से देखा है, बट यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज. व्हाई आर यू कंफ्यूज्ड? Narendra Modi, sure? Okay, so speak confidently. Now I would like to tell you some important point and what is the difference between print media and electronic media. Literacy is compulsory in print media, but in electronic media, literacy is not compulsory. Anybody who is educated or not educated, doesn't matter. He can watch and hear the news. And one thing, print media, we have to wait next day. Then we can get the news. But in electronic media, we can watch the live telecast, live coverage. So we can watch the news at the time when the person is delivering the speech. So both the points are good. But really, guys, now we want to get the conclusion. Rima, what is the conclusion of the topic? Print media is the best medium or electronic media is the best medium? Conclusion. What is the conclusion?
Electronic media is the best, and there anyone can watch and understand informations easily.
Okay, so
electronic media is the best.
Electronic media is the best, but some students are in favor of print media. So this is a controversial topic, and guys, this is very controversial topic. As in the last, I would like to say only one line. We should not decline our reading habits. Reading habits are very compulsory for improving communication skill and improving reading skills. You have seen many students, many people who have lot of knowledge, but they are not able to speak on the topic because they have not good information. If you don't have knowledge, so how will you speak on the topic? How will you speak on the stage? So knowledge and information are very compulsory thing. And if we read the newspaper, if we read the magazine, or we read the novel, so we can get more information and more knowledge. So our reading habits should not be declined. We should read the newspaper, we should read the magazine, sometimes we should read the novels and our books also. We are preparing for competitive examination, if we are preparing for any examination, so reading habits are compulsory. We cannot watch everything on television. We have YouTube, we have many social sites, but for getting good information and getting knowledge, reading is a compulsory thing. So don't leave your habit to read the things. And besides it, you can watch the news and get information what is happening in our country and what is happening in the world. And we can watch the live telecast at the time. So this is good thing, but this is a controversial topic. And guys, thank you so much. Now clapping for yourself. Thank you, clapping. That's wonderful.